You're stepping on a baby. You're looking for your shirt.
My too much fun. There was 4.
So, Jason, is it true that you have savant syndrome?
What is that? I don't know.
You're very smart at everything. You're very talented.
Yes.
Yes. So basically, savant syndrome is basically like autism, but like advanced. So like everyone like knows like has talent.
Yes.
Yes. That's what the people say.
I can't find my other shirt.
Alright, but I'm not gonna sing "What Are Those" to your feet, so I don't want to say "What Are Those" because that would be a little bit too harsh. Alrighty, guys, here's a quiz for you. What is Jason's favorite candy in here? And just like point your finger to that one, and then you'll see. Just comment down below if you found it, or like. I don't want to force you guys to like. All right, Jason. So, are you gonna give me an interview, or if you want me to give you an interview?
You can give me an interview.
An interview?
So yes.
You like interviews?
I can't find my T-shirt. My too much fun. There was 4.
All right. So guys, we're back at Borton, and we're seeing no Jefferson here, no Josue here, just Jason Levin, because that's like the main Borton videos. All right. Ready? Okay, guys. Here's the answer. Never mind. Just comment down below and like if you found it. All right, Jason. Time for your interview. What is this baby right here, sitting right there? What is that baby? Is that someone else?
Me.
Who? That's you?
No, that's a baby.
Why did you put it on the ground?
I did.
He's so dirty. What happened to him? You got a little aggressive? A little. Yeah. Alright.
I can't find my T-shirt. My too much fun. There was 4. I wore one in the locker.
Remember we did a video named Family?
Yeah.
It was good. We were talking about each other's family. Go see that below. Link down below in the description. Okay, Jason. I don't know what questions I should give you. What is this? Is this some kind of anime? And I know you like Jay Wells that much. You like Jay Wells?
Yes.
Did he die?
No, I don't know.
Oh, and there's a race car. So let's have a little inspection. What about under the bed? Are you right? Yup, nothing down here. Just a piece of cardboards. Anyway, Jason. Okay. What's your favorite thing to do?
Go to See's Candy.
Okay, you should go to America's Got Talent, and then like you just go to See's Candy, and then they'll put on the golden buzzer. All right. What are you gonna do in See's Candy?
Eat the candy.
How much?
If I'm hungry, very much.
All right. Have you ever gotten sick from candy?
Yes, a long time, but now I haven't because I haven't been eating a lot of it.
How do people inspect your house?
Yes.
All right. What would you want to do? What would happen if Mark tries to stab you? What would you do?
Go to the police or staff.
How can you call the police when you're badly hurt?
911.
Oh. All right. What's the best thing to do when an earthquake happens?
Get under a table.
Which table?
This one.
That one right there?
Yes.
You think you can fit?
If I don't, I stay in bed.
And let that and let like the structure like fall into the bed. What if the bed's deadly?
I don't know.
All right, what would you do during a tornado?
Stay still.
Stay still. Shouldn't you go to the lowest ground?
Yes.
Yes. And would you hide in the closet during an earthquake or not?
No,
Why?
because it's not that scary. I take it like a man.
Because if you go over there, that thing on top will smash against your head and you'll die.
Right.
Right. So, anyone wonder what's inside this? I don't know what's inside. What's inside your closet? A TV? Why do you lock it? Because of Mark?
Yes, and also because I like to be responsible.
Responsible. Yeah, that's my Jason. What do you like so much about the morning?
I don't. I like to.
Alrighty. Hi, me. How you doing?
All right.
Alright. Okay, I want you to look at the mirror and say how good you are.
I'm very good.
Alright, I want you to do a thing where you can look at yourself in the mirror and say how good you are. What good things did you do in the mirror?
Be a good person.
Yes. What good things did you do? Give a homeless man money or something?
I have lots of money.
So, what do you do when you're hungry in the middle of the night?
I take it like a man, or I don't. This is ripped. This is.
This is ripped.
Yes.
What do you like about Mark?
What do I like about Mark? When he shares with me.
Share. What do you don't like about Mark?
When he steals from me or pinches me.
Where?
Anywhere.
In the private part?
Yes.
Oh, yes. I've seen him squeeze your private parts and it hurts.
Yes.
So what do you do when someone tries to touch your private part? Say no?
No, I let them.
Why?
It doesn't bother me.
But if they squeeze it?
That would hurt. That would bother me.
No. Just don't, like, touch it gently. I don't know why I'm saying this. What's your favorite country?
What's my favorite country?
Yes. Is it Mexico because of El Queso Grande?
Yes.
Okay, guys, if you don't know, here's another Jason Levin quiz.
Can I ask you to tell you this?
What?
About microwave?
What is it? Yeah?
Yeah, about microwaves.
What's about the microwave?
If I want to set the time, not the time, what do you call it? What the seconds on the microwave, but the hour and the minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Do I push the clock
Start?
settings?
I think so. Anyway, guys, here's another Jason Levin quiz. What is his favorite restaurant?
El Queso Grande.
Oh, you gave it away. Another Jason Levin quiz. What is Jason Levin's? What does Jason Levin crave? And don't say it. Don't say it. You're gonna have to say it in like and comment below if you know. You can like double time. Like you can like. Never mind. You can just comment. Anyway, another topic. Microwaves. Go, Jason.
If I want to set the time on the microwave, not the numbers that I used to heat up the food, but the clock on the microwave.
What do you put in the microwave?
I mean, if there's not, just set the time on the clock.
Oh, okay. I might run out of storage because this is long, 9 minutes. Anyway, yes. If this ends unexpectedly, then just say without storage and also finish the Jason Levin quiz. Anyways, what about microwaves?
Do I have to push the numbers to, what do you call it, to set it to, what do you call it? To
Time
heat up,
setting?
not to heat up the, do I
Start?
have to push the numbers that I heat up the food? If I'm not going to heat up any food, just press clock settings.
Mm-hmm.
So
Alright. What do you like about microwaves?
Nah, they're alright.
They're alright. With that face. Okay. That might become a meme. Anyway, who is this guy?
A president.
Did he die?
I'm not sure.
Okay, guys. Okay.
I want to
Mark
talk.
is having a behavior today. So anyway, what? Alright, that's what we have for today, Jason. Thank you for talking about microwaves with other people.
Some more about microwaves?
What? Want to talk some more about microwaves?
Yes.
Alright.
I want to say.
Hurry. 10 minutes. Hurry. I'm out run out in storage.
If I want to press the
Time setting?
what but do I press the numbers to set the
Yes.
clock, or just the time settings without pressing the numbers?
Time setting. I think you have to press that. So that's what I do. That's what
To
the.
set the clock, you have to push the numbers, or just the button time setting.
Alright. Thank you, Thank you, Jason.
Explain it.
I can't. I'm running out of storage. But we can try again, because we're going to go do another video next time in my mobile phone.
I like this. This is nice.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.